Hey guys! So as usual, I'm always looking for ways to save money, and this free app called Fetch Rewards is definitely one of them. I was referred by a friend of mine and I was really impressed. So now I want to refer it to my followers so we can all get something. The more the merrier, right? And nope, you don't need to pay the app or me. All you need to do is download the app, snap your receipt, and I mean any and every receipt that you have, and you'll score points to redeem all different types of gift cards. It's that easy. Did you just go to the grocery store? Take a picture of your receipt and send it in. Did you buy something at a restaurant? Snap it and submit it. So once you've reached 10,000 points, for example, you'll be able to get a $10 Amazon gift card, Starbucks gift card, or whatever else they have listed. I just joined this month and I'm halfway there, and I only snapped a handful of receipts. So it's really easy to reach enough points and score. Turn your receipts into free gift cards now. I have added my referral link for you in the description box below so you can get started. Let me know what you think and have fun. And if you like more of these videos, be sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and the like button. Thanks so much for watching.